Hey everybody, Mike Linville here from Black Dog Education with this week's installment of Office Hours, where we answer your questions about web design, web development, and online marketing. Now this week, Chelsea writes, Mike, I'm having a hard time and I'm hoping that you can help me out. I'm a solopreneur, i.e. I work alone, and am feverishly working at building my business. When I'm not working with clients, I'm marketing. I'm trying a lot of different strategies, but don't know which are working and which are not. I don't have time to always be checking my analytics, and to be honest with you, it slips my mind most of the time. Any suggestions? Well, Chelsea, thank you for the email, and that's actually a great question. I really appreciate your honesty. As small business owners, we have the ability to do many great things. Unfortunately, creating more time isn't one of them. So what we really have to do is we've got to be able to find a way to be as hands-off as we can for as many things as we can. That could be outsourcing, it could be leveraging employees or contractors, could be using technology, etc. Luckily for us, the folks over at Google understand this and have given us a way to automate this process. So let's jump over to my screen and I'll show you how to do that. So now here I am logged into my analytics account. This visitor's overview is the first page that I see when I log in, but Chelsea said that she was trying a bunch of different marketing techniques. So what might be more interesting to Chelsea, instead of looking at our visitor overview, is to come over here and take a look at her traffic sources. All right, this will tell you where your traffic is coming from. So what we're gonna do is when we get to this traffic sources page, right here underneath the title that says traffic source overview at the top, there's a little button or a little link that says email. What we want to do is go ahead and click on that link. It's going to open up a pop-up window, and then we're basically just going to answer those questions, right? We know that this report is going to be sent to us, so it's going to come from my email address to whatever email address I want it to go to. I can go ahead and update the subject line so that it's more meaningful, so that I can easily parse this out when I want it. Here where it says attachments, this is going to give me the option to select a couple of different file types. So either a CSV or a TSV, you're going to get the raw data there, so if you want to manipulate it further you can. Or if it's just something graphical, you just want to really quick take a look at it, see which ones are kind of rising to the top, use a PDF. The other thing is you can change your frequency. You can either have it done once, so if you want just an immediate report sent right away. You can have it sent daily, which is pretty, pretty frequent. Or you can have it sent weekly, monthly, or quarterly. And then underneath the advanced options, you can actually even give it a time frame. So, if you knew, for example, that you were only running a 4-week campaign on Facebook and you wanted to kind of see how that was rolling out, you can just set one of these guys up and just set it to run for a month, and then that's it. So, down here below, write yourself a little message, click on send, and then that's going to go ahead and schedule this, this report for you. Now, that's all there is to it. But what's really cool about this functionality is that you can do this for any report that Google Analytics has. It could be one of their pre-canned reports, like the traffic report, a visitors report, or you can do it with a completely custom report. So if you wanted to be able to take advantage of this thing in the biggest way, what you would do is create a custom report that focuses on your specific areas of interest and then have that emailed to you. Okay? So Chelsea, I hope that this video has answered your question. Now I want to hear from you. Use the comment section below and tell me how often you check your analytics. All right? Thanks for hanging out. This is Mike Linville from Black Dog Education. We'll see you next time.